Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video. I'm going to show you how to pretty much run any game server you want and you don't have to open the ports yourself. Now it is going to cost you about £5 for this application management system called AMP. It's done by the guys at Cube Coders. It's absolutely amazing. I've been using it for a good year or so now when I've been wanting to run servers. It's great. Now, you will need a VPS, which also I use Fife Web, which the affiliate link for that will be down in the description. They've got great servers. I use the £16.99 one, and if you use code SkullGamer69 at checkout, you get 50% off your first month. So now we've got that out of the way, let's get on to showing you how to set this up. So you want to go over to License Manager, put in your details and log in and buy your license, and then it'll ask you, it'll send you your license in a download page to download AMP, and then it'll come to your downloads folder and you just double click AMP setup, run through it, just pick all the simple setup, and then you will get something looking a little bit like this. Make a login and everything for it and you'll get something looking a little bit like this. Now, let's say you want to do a Palworld server. As you can see, I've got a few instances already running of Palworld servers. So we do create instance, start an application, and we look for Palworld. Name it something if you want. I'm just going to name it test. It's not relevant anyway. Start instance on boot, create instance, and let it run through its thing. It should only take about a couple of minutes or so to do that. Have you noticed something yet? We haven't had to touch any ports or anything. And the great thing about AMP, you don't actually need to be on your VPS to control it. You can control everything here via the web. So if you're not at home and something breaks, just log into your website and boom, you can fix all your servers or anything you need to do. Oh, by the way, the £5 you pay gets you 5 instances, so you can run 5 different servers at once. And this is a 3-year lifetime thing, so you only pay £5 every 3 years, I think. How can you complain at that? I don't think you can. And I still haven't had to do anything yet, but if we click into manage, we can see it's sorted all the ports out and it's running. And you'll be able to find this on Palworld right now if you had a look. But let's do some basic configurations. Palworld gameplay settings. Can't change any. Just do that to them. So you want to enable multiplayer. Done. Enable PvP. Done. You want to change any of this? You can. It's as easy as reading it and ticking the boxes. So multipliers, you can change any of these you want and it will change it in game for you. Palworld server settings. So the name will be TGC. Description, whatever you want to call it, put in there. Server region doesn't really matter. I'm going to put it down to a 12 slot. You can keep it at 32 if you want. You can put a server password on there. I don't tend to. Oh well, connecting platforms. Steam is only the one at the moment. I think that's about it. All we need to do, really. Oh, so you can make the server go to sleep if no one's on it. This just helps save resources, really. I don't tend to tick it, but you may want to. We'll go back, and then we just restart our server. Manage. Restart. And it's back up. It's back up and running. We've not touched any ports yet either. Because we don't have to. We don't have to open any ports. The program has already done that for us. Thank you. That saved us a lot of headache. Did I hear that you wanted to restart your server every so amount of times? Alright. Sorry, I keep clicking out of manage. We don't need to. Schedule. Add new trigger. Simple time intervals. Every X amount of hours. For add trigger. Add new task. Restart the application. Add task. Done. It'll restart every 4 hours now. You want to send that into Discord as well? Add new task. Post a message in Discord. Obviously, create your webhook in Discord. Paste it in there. Paste your content so server's restarting. Display name. Add task. And it'll send a message into your Discord channel saying that your server's restarting. How simple is that? Can't complain at £5 and then whatever your VPS costs will be per month. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Guys, remember to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Guys, I'll catch you all on the next one.